are going to love the 2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, front-wheel drive, security system, child safety locks. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.